Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage Win settings on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the menu and here go over to the preferences. Now go over to the network and here go to TCP and IP settings. So they are right here. Now go to Win settings and here you guys can enable it. And here we have the Win server address. I do not have one right now available for me, but here you guys can easily set it up just by clicking on it here. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.